Nowadays, in the marketing, there is more focus on informing, educating, teaching, generating awareness rather than grabbing the attention. Now, what is all this about? It is all about education based marketing, and today I'll be telling you something about education based marketing. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Akshita, Bahuguna, and as an entrepreneur, I have been talking about business creation and skill development. In the business creation, one skill that every entrepreneur needs is selling skills. Selling happens when you are able to do your marketing properly. There are myriad ways of doing the marketing, and today we'll be discussing education-based marketing. What is education-based marketing? Education-based marketing does not focus on grabbing attention or calling somebody or directly selling certain things. It's educating and informing people about the pros and cons of the problems that they have, the solutions that are possible, and then showing your product as one of the solution. Education-based marketing can help you in various places, and it can help you to promote yourself as a specialist or as an expert and let people accept you as a specialist and as an expert. It can help you or your business brand in a particular segment. So once you are branded, it's how it affects your selling and if your business. So it can brand you. It can get traction to your website, and once you have more traction in your website, you can sell your services or your product. It can help you get the targeted audience. So once you target the audience, you're able to reach to your audience. You can obviously work to give your services and product to them. The solution that you have, you will have an audience for the solution that you have. It can create awareness among your customer that what solution you have. There is a saying that jungle mein mor nacha kisne dekha, and same way, if we have a good solution, if we have something that solves the problem, but the people doesn't know that this is the problem and that is a solution that is available, then you will never be able to bridge the gap between two and never able to reach anything, and the solution is useless in that case. And this is what I have been seen, that many good products that never reaches the customer, whereas an average, when marketed properly, reach them. Education-based marketing is something that creates awareness. It is not a direct selling. And because it is not a direct selling, people listen to you. They understand the significance. Maybe not today, but later on they will be inclined towards your work. And that is why education-based marketing is something that all the consultant, coaches, trainers, digital marketers, people selling digital products, rather even the physical products, they are using nowadays, because social media has given them the power to educate people, and this is something which is trending nowadays. You can easily get a feedback on your product or on your MVP, that is minimum viable product, and maybe you can change or refine your product and service to your next level. It can help educate your clients about the pros and cons of all the things without letting them know that you are giving a product because this is not a selling of the product or service, this is providing the solution to the problem. Henry Ford was the first person who made a car. At that time, when the people were asked what is the problem and what they need, the people said, we need a faster horse. Now, it was for the Henry Ford to realize, why do they need a faster horse? They need a faster horse to speed up their travel, to lessen the time of travel. Now, for all these things, is it necessary to have a living thing only? Can a non-living vehicle solve this purpose? And this is what led Henry Ford to find the solution as a car. And same way, when you are making something like this, you are preparing, giving a solution to some problem, you don't have to market it directly. If you educate the people, your market will indirectly or directly be set yourself. The next question that the people ask me is, this is the benefit of education-based marketing, but how to do that? Are there any steps to do the education-based marketing? So I'm trying to give you the 6 steps that are needed for the education-based marketing in this video. And the first step is identify the problem. Because we are not able to identify the niche problem that we are solving, we will never be able to market it. So identify the niche problem that you are catering to. Now, once you know the niche problem, not everybody is your target. Your target is the people who are facing that problem, and we call them the niche market segment. So you need to identify your niche marketing segment. Once you have that market segment for yourself, you need to create a customer avatar. There has been videos on this. We will share the link in the description and you can see. You need to create your client self and the client avatar. Once you have the client self and the client avatar, you need to identify which method or tool you will be using to reach your target segment. Now, because we are talking about the digitalization things, so we can have a mail list, word of mouth, revenue websites, networking, conversation, phone calls. We can have the advertisement and many other things. So one of these can be used as a tool to reach your market. Once you have identified the tool, you need to validate it with a small pilot. Once you have piloted it, then you need to create and launch your big marketing plan. This is how the education-based marketing will be working for you. If you want to reach your customer and tell them the solutions that you have, then education-based marketing is a perfect fit for you. Be happy, be entrepreneur, and live the life of abundance. And if you want to continue your journey of unboxing entrepreneurship with us, keep liking, subscribing and following us. And don't forget to share it with your friends, families and fellows. Thank you.